Okay,
Look,
we're
there's deer.
back around a second time here.
Oh, that's the steering wheel. Don't grab a hold of it.
I got it. I got it. I'm driving a golf cart.
Look, there's deer and duckies. Do you see the elk? Lorelai's staring that thing down. Don't stay too long because I don't want it to come attack us.
See, its antlers were shedding. Ran into Michelle's friend and her kids. What's screaming back there?
Lorelai!
That's your daughter? Oh my gosh. I thought it was one of the geese or something.
Yeah, she did that back to the duck.
No, that was my kid.
If at any point you guys want me to pull over and you guys can get out and look at animals, just let me know. This is so cool. I've never driven a golf cart. How hard can it be? Pretty simple. I'm doing it.
You like sitting up for a funny?
Bye-bye.
Slow. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
He's going just enough, Lisa. He's doing fine.
Yeah.
I'm usually the speed demon, but that's when my kids are in car seats, strapped in safely.
Yeah, I don't wanna go too fast.
I am holding on to her, but at the same time.
There's raccoons.
The raccoons.
Oh, our raccoon friend.
He's still hanging out in the same spot. It's cool. Alright, we're going into the forest. It's really pretty out here. Michelle and I had about 2 hours on our first round. It was really nice. So we're going to go back through. Let me finish reading the directions. Yes. Go feed some more animals. Alright, bye.